Hello everyone, welcome. Today I've got something exciting for those of you who love socializing and connecting with new people. We're reviewing Sugo, Voice Live Chat Party, an app designed to bring people together through live voice chats and group interactions. So what's Sugo all about? Is it worth your time and money? Well, stick around because I'll be covering all that and more. We'll talk about its features, pricing, pros and cons, and at the end, I'll even suggest some great alternatives if you think this app isn't quite your vibe. Let's check out what Sugo has to offer and whether it's the right app for you. Sugo is a voice live chat app that focuses on real-time conversations with people across the globe. It's not your typical texting or video chat app. Here, voice interaction is at the center. It's essentially a platform where users can join or create live chat rooms to talk about various topics and even play interactive games and meet people in a casual, party-like environment. The app markets itself as a place where you can make new friends, collaborate with like-minded individuals, or just have fun hanging out. So whether you're in the mood to chat with people who share your interests or join a room that's all about fun games, Sugo has got you covered. Now let's talk about what really makes this app stand out. We'll talk about the main features. Voice chat rooms. You can hop into themed voice chat rooms or create your own. These rooms can be public or private, and they allow people to gather and talk about anything under the sun, be it music, sports, gaming, or even random chats. Interactive games. To keep things lively, Sugo has some cool mini games built right into the app. These games are designed to break the ice and get people engaged in the conversation. Live party experience. The app positions itself as a live party, meaning it encourages a fun, casual vibe. Whether you want to dance to some virtual beats, play some trivia, or host a karaoke session, you feel like you're at a virtual party. Friendship matching. The app helps you connect with people who share your interests. Based on what you like and the rooms you join, Sugo will suggest users who may vibe well with you. Gifting and rewards. Users can send virtual gifts during chats, which adds a playful element to interactions. You can also earn rewards based on your participation or popularity in the app. These features make Sugo unique in creating a more immersive social experience as it emphasizes active engagement rather than passive scrolling. Now let us talk about the pricing. Sugo is a free app to download and use. However, it does have in-app purchases. You'll likely come across premium features of virtual items like coins or special gifts that enhance your interactions. While basic access to chat rooms and features is free, spending money within the app can boost your experience if you're looking to make an impact or stand out in chat rooms. So if you're on a budget, you can still enjoy a lot of what Sugo offers without spending a dime. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using Sugo. First, we talk about the pros. Unique voice-focused experience. It stands out from the usual texting or video chat apps. If you prefer speaking over typing or showing your face, this app is great for you. Easy to use. The interface is simple, making it easy to jump into a chat or start your own room. Fun and interactive. The built-in games and party-like features keep things entertaining, so you're not just stuck in boring conversations. Good for making friends. The friendship matching feature is solid for connecting with people who share your interests. Global user base. You're not limited to just people in your country, Sugo connects users worldwide. How about the cons? In-app purchases. While you can use the app for free, some features and gifts are locked behind paywalls, which can be a bummer if you want to fully participate in the app's fun extras. Noise in public rooms. With large public rooms, sometimes it can get chaotic and noisy, making it hard to have meaningful conversations. Limited moderation. With a global audience, some users report that not all chat rooms are well moderated, which can lead to unpleasant experiences occasionally. So here's the big question. Is Sugo worth it? If you're someone who enjoys meeting new people through voice chats and want to hang out in a virtual party environment, this app could be a great fit. It's a fun way to unwind and connect, especially if you like real-time, interactive experiences. However, if you're someone who prefers more structured or private conversations, or if you don't like dealing with in-app purchases, this might not be for you. Overall, Sugo has some great features and a unique approach to social interaction. But as with any app, it really depends on your personal preferences. But it's free to try out, so you can always give it a test run and see if it suits your style. If you feel Sugo isn't quite what you're looking for, here are 3 alternatives to consider: Clubhouse, Stereo, and Omegle. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.